In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove shortcuts in Google Drive. Shortcuts in Google Drive are lightweight pointers to files or folders that live somewhere else. They're great for quick access, but over time they can clutter your drive and make it harder to see what's actually stored in your own space. The good news is, removing a shortcut won't touch the original file or folder. You're only deleting the pointer, not the content. Start by opening the Google Apps menu, the grid of small dots you'll see in the top corner of most Google pages. From there, click Drive. That takes you straight into your Google Drive, where you can see your files, folders, and anything that's been shared with you. Now, look for the small arrow badge on a file or folder icon. That arrow is the giveaway that you're looking at a shortcut rather than an original. You might notice the arrow in the corner of the thumbnail, or next to the item's name in list view. These shortcuts can appear in My Drive, shared with me, or within folders you've created for organization. Once you've found a shortcut you no longer need, right-click it to open the context menu. From that menu, click Move to Bin. This action removes the shortcut from your drive, but it does not delete the original file or folder. The content remains safely in its original location, and anyone who had access before will still have it. Think of it like removing a bookmark from your browser. You're not deleting the website, just your quick link to it. After you move a shortcut to the bin, your view becomes cleaner and more focused on the items you actually own or need to manage. If you ever worry you've removed something important, remember that only the shortcut went to the bin. The original is still exactly where it was, owned by whoever created it, and accessible through its original path or any other shortcuts you still keep. A couple of quick tips as you tidy up. Shortcuts take up almost no storage, so you're doing this mostly for clarity, not to free space. If you still want easy access to a file later, consider keeping a single shortcut in a well-named folder rather than scattering multiple ones across your drive. And if you open what you thought was a file and it behaves like a link, check for that arrow badge. It's a shortcut. That's it. Open Drive from Google Apps, spot the arrow icon, right-click, and choose Move to Bin. Simple, safe, and effective.